Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about 3 KDP keywords with low competition, high demand. Now this is part 3 of the series. I post daily videos talking about different keywords, KDP keywords for low content books that have a low competition and high demand that you guys can start publishing books in. Trackers, planners, organizers, lined notebooks, and everything like that. I do the research for you and you guys decide on whether to do and publish books on this. Now let's have a look at our first keyword for the day. And at the end of the video, I will go to Creative Fabrica, my go-to when it comes to interiors and graphics that are for commercial use. I have a subscription over there and they are currently running a discount that you can access through the link in the description box below. Let's get started with our first keyword for the day, and it is gardening expense tracker log. And it has a keyword niche score of 44 and a total results of 1,176. The average price is $6.16, and there are a couple of books that are ranking as bestsellers, and there are a couple of books also that have quite good reviews. I will include a link in the description box below for the first keyword so you can be able to access this page straight away. And in order to get the analytics, please download it's a free Chrome extension called Self-Publishing Titans. This is what I get once I download and activate it in the Chrome browser. It gives me all the details that I need to know, and then I just have a look at the reviews. I have a look at the BSR, the best-selling rank, and make my decision whether to publish in this keyword. The second keyword for the day is horror movie logbook, and it has a total results of 1,189, and the keyword niche score is 41. The average price is perfect for low content books, standing at $5.45, and we've got a couple of books with a really good BSR score. These first two are sponsored, which means that someone has actually paid to have advertisement for these books, but then the rest of the books also have quite a good stance. So then again, the link to that keyword will be in the description box below. The third and final keyword for the day is mini golf scorecard logbook, and it has a keyword niche score of 58 and a total results of 320. Average price is $8.05. So once you have located a profitable keyword, just scroll down. I've talked about this many times on my channel in depth, so just scroll down and look at the books that have a good BSR score, preferably 500,000 and below. Have a look at the reviews, have a look at the interior, and then decide whether that's something that you would like to publish a book on. So that again, we'll take every single keyword and copy and paste it into our Creative Fabrica. Now the prices will not appear just because I have already logged in to my account, which is I'm a subscriber, so I'm eligible for unlimited downloads. You can be a subscriber and pay monthly. They do have discounts running at the moment, and you could also purchase individual interiors. So I entered gardening expenses tracker, and there's a couple of great interiors, and we got 16 results. We come to the next keyword and we paste it into Creative Fabrica and see what we have. Now you want to look at the KDP interiors as well as the graphics section in order to be able to make your book very visually appealing. Insert some graphics over there and make sure that if you download a interior from Creative Fabrica or any other store such as Etsy, please make sure to change it around. Upload it using Canva. It'll be editable most of the time, and just change the graphics, change some of the fonts and some of the colors, and you'll be good to go. Let's just go back to the last keyword as well, get that ready ahead of time, copy and paste it. And we'll be doing daily videos talking about profitable KDP keywords to help you get ready and to do the research for you ahead of time, free of charge, on our YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos.